Hello everyone. Now we have a 12-volt power supply. We're gonna repair it. Let's before I disassemble the power supply, and also as a quick check, I changed the first fuse. It has double fuse here and another fuse here. We changed the fuse. Here's the fuse. Let's check some information here. Here are some informations. Here is the information. This is the amount of voltage selected by switch before power on. Please check input voltage to avoid damage. Okay. Here we can see the problem. We can detect the problem by the color. Let's see what changed. Some smoke. If there is this color, we can see the fuse here. You see, you can detect the fault by the color. So certainly we should change the fuse. We should replace the fuse, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Hardy.